Hi everyone, we are at one of our favorite places again, Pho Viets, and we have our smorgasbord here that we ordered. And this is, what is this, Daisy? The seafood.
Noodle soup.
Is it like pho? Pho soup?
No, it's literally called seafood.
Oh, seafood soup. And it has fish balls in it. What else?
Shrimp.
Octopus. Bok choy.
I think it's
vermicelli.
Some sort of rice noodle.
Yeah, and then this is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it has grilled pork, scallions, peanuts, pickled vegetables, a bed of vegetables underneath, as well as, I eat mine with some jalapeno, basil, and it also has pickled veg. This is the chicken with the lemongrass that has the same vegetables as a pork dish. And for the first time, we're trying their spring rolls. We've never had them before. And we'll probably review those and the Vietnamese grinders from home. We'll be back. Good days. How is your soup? Oh, and that's another huge pieces of shrimp in her seafood soup. Al, how's your meal? Mine is great. I make mine extra spicy because I add the jalapeno and my favorite sriracha brand to it. All sriracha is not created equal, I would like to say. And Pho Viets, whoever owns this place, they actually redesigned it, because before it was kind of like a mishmash, but you do have like modern tables and seating. They painted. It still has that loft feel to it. And we actually, as you saw earlier, I have a video that I did. We went to, I think it's called Super 88. It's a supermarket in the Asian market. And we'll actually, when I talk about like the grinders, sandwiches that we got, which are Vietnamese, we've never had the spring rolls, so we'll let you know how those are. As well as we also purchased some other treats from the supermarket. We'll let you know how those are. So that'll be a separate video. And for now, we are going to be signing off. So I hope that you guys subscribe, as well as if you have any comments on what your favorite Vietnamese food place is, as well as what you like to eat there. We'd appreciate hearing from you. Have a good Saturday. The weather is amazing. And thank you for visiting